Are you tired of sorting through endless piles of text documents, emails, articles, and reports? Pause. Take a look at the application TextWeaver, the smart and simple solution for text categorization. An efficient and organizing application with easy access. Start weaving your text into meaningful categories.
So this is our TextWeaver website, which would categorize text into different categories. So let's try it out over here. So first we'll put in something like LeBron James, and let's see what we get. We should get sports with 0.975 confidence level, which means it has 97.5% confidence in its output. And now let's put in like a meaningful headline, and it got politics and government with an 87.48% accuracy, which is pretty good, I would say. So this demo shows how it's able to not only just take random pieces of text and make it into different categories, but also meaningful headlines. And it could do things like emails as well.
Are you tired of sorting through? So that was our trailer and demo. Our team created the application TextWeaver, a program that allows you to organize your files, notifications, and emails into classified categories. It is organized and makes your life easy, and it makes your life easier when it comes to your organization of files. It is fast and reduces time sorting through all your text, including emails, and it is easy to use and efficient by simply entering your text into the text box.
About the team, TextWeaver was created by 4 high school students. The front-end team, or website developers, are Jaydon Hsia and Grace Choi. The back-end developer, or the machine learning engineer, is Ellie Chu. Overseeing the entire project is our project manager, me, Mohammad Umar. Under the guidance of our instructor, Cason Shepard, the 4 of us created TextWeaver.
TextWeaver is efficient and easy to use. TextWeaver will sort your notifications and messages into organized categories for easy access. We created TextWeaver for people who need to organize their daily lives from various sources of text, from emails to text and whatever you want. And as for extensions, our website's code will be open source, which enables easy integration and text classification for other websites. And this is our team.
And this is our demo page where you can try our product. Simply enter it into the text box and press submit, and then it'll give you the category and confidence level. About our model, TextWeaver uses Distilbert, a text classification model that performs well and is highly accurate. Its advanced architecture and self-attention allow it to achieve precise and context-aware categorization, making it perfect for text classification. Distilbert's ability to handle large-scale datasets and adaptive domains helps it provide reliable and precise results for a wide range of texts. About our dataset. We chose a Yahoo questions and answers dataset that classifies the text into 10 categories. This dataset originally had 60,000 rows and 3 columns of data before preprocessing it. We chose this dataset because it had already been trained to classify human written text. Preprocessing. We started preprocessing the data by combining the original 3 columns into 2 columns, label and text. Then we replaced links, weird punctuation, and phone numbers with empty strings. There were also some rows the model could not understand, so we skipped those rows. We removed about 20% or 12,000 lines of our original data.
So now I'm going to give a live demonstration of the website. So I'm going to take this article, copy the first few paragraphs of it, and paste it in. The article is about Amazon and their business operations within the United States. So as you can see, the AI correctly classified it as business and finance and gave an 81.65% confidence rating. Thank you.